first grade. Did you enjoy exploring Google Maps last week? I know that exploring Google Maps is one of my favorite things to do on the internet. Today we'll explore more with Google Street View. Keep watching. On my web page, slide down to choose Technology. Click Technology. On the Online Tech page, slide down and choose the First Grade button. Click First Grade. Today's Google Classroom assignment says Google Maps, Street View. Let's continue to explore Ellwood City by using Google's Map Street View. What can you find in our community? Watch the video, open the website, look at the maps A through E in Street View, then complete the Google Slides. Let's first click on the website. Click the website. Today you'll know the neighborhood by looking at maps A through E. Click Map A. Do you recognize this community? This is downtown Ellwood City. Remember, use 2 fingers to scroll in and out. To take a better look at Street View, click and hold Pegman at the bottom and drag him onto one of the streets. To navigate around, click and hold and drag. Click the road to go up the street. Click your mouse and turn. What's something that you see? Let's go back to the web page. Let's explore Map B. Click Map B. Here's the bigger picture of downtown Ellwood City. What do you see from this aerial view? Remember, 2 fingers to zoom in, 2 fingers to zoom out. Use Pegman and drop him on one of the streets. What do you see? Click and hold and drag. Click the road to move up or down. Let's explore the next map. Go back to the web page. Now choose Map C. Do you know this community? 2 fingers to zoom in, 2 fingers to zoom out. Drop Pegman on one of the streets. I'll bet you know this community now. Click and hold and drag. Let's look at the next map. Go back to the page. Choose Map D. Do you know this community? Use 2 fingers to zoom in. Drop Pegman on one of the streets. Does this view look familiar? Click and hold and drag. Remember, click the street to move. Let's look at the last map. Go back to the web page. Choose Map E. Let's look at this community. 2 fingers to zoom in, 2 fingers to zoom out. Click and hold and drop Pegman on one of the streets. Do you recognize this view? Click and hold and drag to turn. Click to move up onto the street. Click and hold and drag. Have fun exploring Google Maps today. Before you're done, go back to Google Classroom. Open up your work. This is the Google Slides presentation. Let's answer a couple questions. This says, when I get older, I would like to live in a blank community. Would you like to live in a suburban, rural, or urban community when you get older? Click and hold and drag the word over to fill in the blank. Also, click and hold on one of the pictures to drag it over into the blank. Your word should match the picture. Do you remember the words suburban, rural, and urban from last week? Then go to Slide 2. Slide 2 says every community needs to have a blank. Click here. In fact, do 3 clicks. 1, 2, 3. Now your word, click here, is highlighted. Hit backspace. What's something every community needs to have? Type it in the blank. When you're done, go back to Google Classroom. Turn in your work. Remember, if you have any questions, let me know by emailing me. Otherwise, have a great day, and I'll see you next week.